Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set a discount expiration date on Gumroad. So actually guys, as first you will need to log in and open your products or open the discounts. But first you will need to go with the Gumroad.com website and then just sign in with your account and click on the dashboard button that's located at the top right corner. And as I told you, will need to go to the discount section that you will find on the checkout option on the left hand menu. It's the fourth one, so just click it and you can choose an existing discount if you already have one. Okay, so you only just click on its name and you will be forwarded into that specific discount. If not, just go with new discounts button. It's located at the top right corner and then just give it a name. So let's go with Black Friday as it's shown. Okay, and then just go with a discount, so you can create one using your keyboard, or you can just go with a random one from here and then just choose the product that you want to apply discount to. So for example, I will go with the PDF products. You can go with all products as well, and then just choose the type if you want it as a percentage or the fixed amount, the discount. Okay, so for example, I will go with percentage with 5% or 10%, and then it will go with limit validity period. Okay, so here you will set a date like valid from to valid until. So I will set it from today currently to, hey, let's go with let's uncheck the new end date and then just choose dates from the calendar. So just click on the calendar and let's go to the next week. Okay, on the 4 p.m. for example. Okay, so just like that. And yeah, so now all you need to do is to go and click on add a discount or add discount button at the top right corner of the page. And yeah, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.